हेलो बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार। हाउ आर यू माय डियर्स? टुडे योर टॉपिक इज ऑन प्रोग्रेस एंड योर लास्ट chapter of this topic. Here I am talking about class 9th and class 9th. For class 9th the topic voice was on progress. That is why we will take here some rules. We will take here a rule in voice. Dear students, in active and passive voice, if you do not find any subject and object in active voice, if you do not find any subject, any object, you find only the verb. You find only the verb in active voice, then how do we change this active voice sentence into passive voice? So today we have to transform here this type of sentences into passive voice. Minded, my dear students, subject, object you will not get. You will get only the verb. लेकिन थोड़ा सा मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूंगा। एक दो बच्चों के कमेंट भी थे कि सर थोड़ा हिंदी में और आप बता दिया करो। ओके, तो इसमें हम थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात करते हैं कि ना तो आपको कर्ता आएगा ना ही ऑब्जेक्ट आएगा, केवल क्या दिया हुआ आएगा आपको? वर्ब दी हुई आएगी, क्रिया दी हुई आएगी। How do we transform this verb into passive voice? We have to know this here. Okay, dear students, we have to know this here. How do we transform this type of active voice sentence into passive voice? Dear students, verb, only verb indicates verb itself, also the subject and also the object. क्रिया अकेली होती है जो कर्ता को भी और कर्म को भी और क्रिया तीनों को ही यहां दर्शाती है। ऐसे सेंटेंस को यदि हम पैसिव वॉइस में बदलते हैं या बदलना चाहते हैं तो ऐसे सेंटेंस को हम पैसिव में बदलने के लिए क्या करेंगे? यू आर, मैं पहले आपको स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिव का लिख देता हूं यहां। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर यू गेट? The structure of active voice will be only the verb and you will get the first form of the main verb plus etc. Dear students, this type of sentence we have studied in previous classes, but in those sentences we find the first form of the main verb and after it we find object. But my dear students, object here is not given, then we will not change this type of sentence into passive voice with let be. थोड़ा हिंदी में, यदि हमको यहाँ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म और ईटीसी मिलते हैं तो अलग प्रकार से ये चेंज होगा, लेकिन यहाँ आपको वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट ईटीसी मिलता है। तो प्रीवियस क्लास में मैंने आपको बताया था लेट बी से बनाते हैं, लेट ऑब्जेक्ट बी प्लस मुख्य क्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म और ईटीसी इत्यादि, इस प्रकार से हम इसको बनाएंगे। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेकिन ये मैंने पहले बताया, लेकिन बट टुडे वी विल हैव टू नो इफ वी फाइंड द फर्स्ट फॉर्म द मेन वर्ब हियर देन ईटीसी, how do we change this type of sentence into passive voice? So you have to know the rules. You are requested 2 plus rest of the sentence. But you have to change this if the sentence expresses any feeling of request, or you are ordered to plus rest of the sentence, or you are advised to plus rest of the sentence. Here we have to know, what will be the structure of active and passive. But my dear students, if you want to change this sentence into passive voice, you have to know you are requested to rest of the sentence if active voice sentence expresses the feeling of request, if the active voice sentence expresses the feeling of order, if the active voice sentence expresses the feeling of advice, then you will change you are advised to, you are ordered to, you are requested to. But sometimes we find that the sentence expresses all three of the feelings, or we do not know what the sentence says to us. We do not know. Here, then we will have to write you are asked to plus rest of the sentence. Okay, dears, this is your next structure. You are asked to rest of the sentence. This type we will transform. Passive voice, here request, order, advise. But if you do not know what are the feelings in active voice sentence, then you have to write you are asked to rest of the sentence. If you find don't verb first and etc, don't verb first and etc, then you have to write you are asked not to, you are advised not to, you are ordered not to, you are requested not to, and remove do not from active voice sentence. Okay, dears, shall we begin here? An active voice sentence. Fire. The sentence does not have any subject and object. Fire. I will talk to a little in Hindi. थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात करता हूँ. FIRE फायर मीन्स होता है आग. लेकिन बच्चों, यदि इसको हम वर्ब के रूप में लेते हैं तो कोई ना कोई कमांडर अपनी सेना को आदेश दे रहा है किसका? हमला करने का. हमला करने के लिए एक शब्द और है, वो है अटैक. लेकिन जब हम ऐसे औजार या हथियारों से हमला करते हैं जिनमें जो हथियार औजार आग उगलते हैं, जिनमें डायनामाइट होता है, अग्नि पैदा करते हैं, तो वहाँ फायर का प्रयोग करते हैं. बंदूक से आप हमला कर रहे हो तो कमांडर क्या करेगा? फायर. तो यहाँ फायर का मतलब आग नहीं है, क्या है? अग्नि. सो देन वी विल टेक दिस फायर. फायर. A commander says to his battalion, fire, means he is ordering. So you have to write here, you are ordered to fire. You are ordered to rest of the sentence means fire. Okay, mind it, my dear students. The sentence does not have any subject and any object, but indirectly the sentence has both subject and object. Okay, next sentence is attack. You will transform this sentence into passive voice. Attack, वही हमला करना. Shall you begin in English? You are ordered to attack. Okay, dear students, next we will talk to you. Next sentence, don't smoke. Don't smoke. Don't is helping verb. Smoke is the first form of the main verb. Dear students, don't smoke. Smoke is the first form of the main verb. Don't smoke means someone is advising to someone. Okay, you are advised, then remove don't and write not to smoke. You are advised not to smoke. This type of sentence it will be. Okay, dear students, here I think you got all these sentences or this type of sentence. Okay, dears, with these words I finish my class, and in next video we will take a rule, next rule and last rule of this topic, and then we will study a new topic. Okay, thank you.